Go.
That's 54 gummy bears. You see right here. It's should I add more?
No.
Yeah, it's 54 gummy bears. We're going to nuke them in the microwave. Look at that. Get a good zoom in on that. Let's see if it's a good idea to microwave this. Let's see what happens. If this, I hope this doesn't explode.
If it does, we'll stop it.
Well, if it does, then we'll get it going.
You gotta see it.
Looks like it's melting down. Oh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling.
This is what's happening to gummy bears in the microwave.
Keep it going. It's fine. It's turning. Oh my god.
Okay, get it before it goes over.
Oh no, keep it going, man. Keep it going. This is awesome. Okay. Look at that. Look at that goodness.
What? It's gonna solidify.
No, it's not.
It is. Oh my.
That is a sick. It's like tie-dye. Look at that. 54 gummy bears. Nasty. We're gonna taste it or anything?
We're not gonna taste it. It probably tastes disgusting.
Oh, okay. Let's just do one. We should have just done one and see what.
No, look what happens when you put it in the water.
All it is corn syrup, man.
It's hot.
Really?
It's hot. Yeah. It's just water. It's just corn syrup and water and gelatin.
Oh god. It just feels like a warm gummy bear. Dude, if it solidifies, you just scrape it off. Or just
Here is what gummy bears look like.
Oh, that's what you're putting into your stomach, kids. Oh, do that again, do that again, do that again, do that again. Oh, you'll never eat gummy bears again. Gross.